Hello and welcome. Greg here from Volkswagen Wrexham, wanting to share with you our newest addition to our used stock in the form of this Volkswagen Golf 8. This particular example is the sporty R-Line 1.5 TSI petrol, finished here in deep black pearlescent paint. As an approved used vehicle, it will further benefit from a 2-year warranty and roadside assistance, so you can buy it right now with complete peace of mind. This particular example also benefits from an optionally upgraded panoramic sunroof, and around the side you'll find these stylish 17-inch anthracite alloy wheels, which will contrast lovely against the black paint. Privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards adds to the sportier effect, and upholstery in the rear is finished in part leather and cloth with comfortable seating for up to 3. There's a centre armrest with ISOFIX child anchor points as well. In the rear, full LED tail lights with prominent faux exhaust pipes, as well as a handy boot that can easily take 2 to 3 carry-on suitcases and definitely a week's worth of shopping. A quick glimpse in the front will also offer aluminium sports pedals, sports leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel and bucket front sports seats. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of this Golf 8 R-Line. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest stock and content. And if you are enjoying watching this particular video, why not hit on the like button now, or leave us a comment or question about it in the section below. Once in the driver's seat of this Golf 8, there's plenty for you to enjoy. Stylishly designed cabin features a number of ambient lights throughout, and the driver control panels are logically laid out and easy to reach. The multifunction steering wheel is even heated for added bonus for the coming winter months, and the active info display digital dashboard can be fully personalized. Choosing what is displayed in the left or right cluster, you can also change the overall look of the whole system, or for example display key information such as active cruise control, lane assist and roadside recognition camera. In the center, the infotainment system comes with 2 menus. The more classic one here can be personalized by sliding the tiles around, and for all your music needs there is full AM, FM and DAB digital radio along with full Bluetooth telephony. Built-in satellite navigation will ensure you never get lost, and also additionally various vehicle settings will also be on offer, allowing you to optimize the feel of the car. AppleCarPlay and Android Auto smartphone interfaces are always available, and the sound system and speakers can be personalized and optimized, and there's even full mood lighting available throughout the vehicle, allowing you to choose what color you would want. A number of safety systems are also available on offer, as well as various mode selectors for the drive and even climate control system. To help you park, audible and visual front and rear parking sensors will ensure you never scratch your bumpers. Loads of cubbyhole storage, USB Type-Cs are on offer, and easy controls for the sliding tilt panoramic roof. This has been a presentation of the Volkswagen Golf 8 R-Line that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more information about it, contact our friendly sales team today, either by dialing the number listed in the description, or better yet, just follow the link attached to take you to the car page. Many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to hearing from you.